A love for Fiji compelled Panapasan Dauna Kamakama to give up a comfortable life in New Zealand and return home to his roots. The 41-year-old loves farming and always wanted to venture into business. Now certain events in his life have helped him create a natural health drink popular among locals here and abroad. Ritika Pratap with tonight's success story.
The former Lalin Memorial High School student has a love for natural produce and ventured into farming after school.
From the bush agriculture, I went back home and did some farming. Did a bit of farming, marketing, selling at the market, and then I worked at Lalin as a farm manager.
The Bow Island native did further studies in Samoa before moving to New Zealand, where he stayed for 10 years.
While there, playing a bit of rugby at a club level in Manawatu, Palmerston North. Then we decided to come back to the islands through my wife's work.
Dauna Kamakama says he lost his mom 14 years ago due to breast cancer, and almost 6 years ago his daughter suffered a rare skin infection. That was when the father of three started recalling memories of his grandmother's home remedies.
Whenever they step out the door, they'll be chewing on a leaf from the ground. If they see a fruit tree, a guava tree, they'll chew on the leaf. It's always every month they'll go and making some sort of herbal medicine.
He says as the youngest in his family, he was always being asked to look for herbs, something which helped him come up with the idea of Juice Fiji and start his own business.
This is a practice that we brought up in. In Fiji, growing up, our grandmothers always mixing some sort of herbal medicine. So now I want to introduce it as a juice. So it's slightly tastier than the ones that we grow up with.
Dauna Kamakama says all the ingredients in his herbal juice are farm fresh.
Actually, from nature, from the farm, and we just here to bottle it for our people. And we don't put any chemical, no added sugar. All the sugar in the product is all from the fruits.
With his business now over a year old, Dauna Kamakama believes ideas need to be marketed well and you should never give up.
So even before COVID, it was really hard. When you take this product and you do sampling and then they taste it and say, oh, they're expecting something sweet, like other juices out there. I always say the Juice Fiji is not here to pleasure your taste bud.
And his advice to aspiring entrepreneurs is
to love what you do, believe in what you do, and you commit your 100%.
Dauna Kamakama says 5 years from now, he wants to be a major competitor in the market for healthy drinks. Ritika Pratap, FBC News.